Hi everyone, we have with us the cast of 1920 London. So,
Hello, people.
Hello.
so how excited or anxious or nervous are you guys just like a week before the release?
All of the things that you said, anxious, excited, nervous, elated because of the way the film is looking, it's all of it together.
Meera, your first film. How are you feeling?
I was about to say I'm the most excited one and the elated one. My first big film. So yeah, lot of expectations.
So, आपकी तो ये third installation है in the same series. So, do you have any burden or some nervousness that
No
you know?
burden. You cannot succeed if you don't give yourself the permission to fail.
Wow.
That is some good life advice right there. So,
If it comes out before I write it on Facebook.
we'll have to see that. So, so this is obviously a horror thriller film. So, do either of you had any horror experience on the sets or any paranormal experience or something while shooting or
Did you say
other-
horror again?
On
the
set.
Sex.
Oh,
What on the sex?
Because I got a lot of experience.
Let's talk about that.
But no, we talk about the sex.
Yeah, that seems more interesting.
yeah, that's Yes, so on the sets, any paranormal thing?
They
Meera
brought
will
the
tell you a
sex.
story.
No,
She knows the one.
you will
Okay,
tell
there's
the
this
story.
one day, we were shooting in the night and it was about 2:30.
Let's
In the
make-
morning.
Let's make
Night.
let's make it sound more scary.
No, and what happened was, there was this guy, one of the lightmen, who seemed to have gotten possessed, I don't know what it was. He kept coming and switching on the camera.
Oh my god.
And Prakash kind of started freaking out. He stopped coming to the camera because he said, I need to get this assistant off the set first. All of us got together, got that assistant off the set, and then we realized that he was not possessed, but he was just drunk.
Really?
And nothing like that happened. I'm just making up. It's something to give because then now what to say?
We keep making up
Nothing
stories.
happened. No, yeah.
No bhoot pret coming, no lights going on and off on the set.
Oh yeah, why everybody expect if we're shooting a horror movie something would happen? Would you ask this question if we were
Like
shooting a
someone
love story?
really-
No, then I would ask, did you guys have any?
No, really seriously, that makes.
Make a story?
No, I'm talking very seriously. Because a lot of these things happen to me. They say that all human beings work on a frequency. We all have different frequencies, like radio.
Yeah.
So sometimes you are logging on to 94.7 or 93.5. We all have different frequencies. We think around different frequencies. There are people who are on a certain frequency who see that those spirits.
Wow.
It's true. And so they say that anybody who has that, anybody who's on that frequency will experience it. So you and I can be together, we can pass by the same road. But if you are not on the same frequency, you will not see it.
anything. So does the frequency go up and down, or it's constant
Not
in
in
one
your
person?
It could go It could go left and right. You a little swing around.
So you obviously like believe in paranormal stuff because you make so many movies in that. But about both of you, do you guys believe in I don't know.
Paranormal? Yeah,
Yes.
I absolutely believe in it. I believe in presence. I wouldn't be surprised if I had some such supernatural experience. Just that I haven't had one. But like what Vikram is saying right now about someone having that in them where they can see spirits, it could be quite possible. I had this neighbor actually on the fourth floor, and he was this really studious, intense guy, very quiet, always in the house. He was like not really paranormal, but it's kind of a little weird and strange. His mind was set in such a way that in the crosswords that came out every other day, he used to find in the clues. He used to find messages which were dealing with the bad elements of the society. Every time he had an interpretation, he used to
cool
put
is
these
that?
chits under my house, under my door of my apartment, and I used to wonder why was he communicating that to me, and I got freaked out because this was like when I was in school and all that, and I was like, bloody hell, this guy used to want to stay away from him like for miles because I mean he was very weird in this. But yeah, so
You're
effectively-
theorist.
yeah, so yeah.
What
Different
about
kind of
you,
life.
Meera? Do you
As he said, I don't have that frequency, so no, I don't believe in that. Neither do I get scared. I'm strong and
So as you guys were previously talking about, so are you a non-believer, like a sign? I don't know, maybe a non-believer in God and devil both, because
kind of.
kind of.
Yeah.
Because last time we spoke, you did tell us about that you saw Paranormal Activity at 1 in the night because you had nothing better to do. So clearly, you are not one to get scared.
Yes.
So I mean, I can't still get over it. So did you
Would
guys?
you get scared?
I get scared very easily. So did you guys play pranks with each other on the set or did something just to take the Mickey out of someone?
Not really. Actually, when we were shooting 1920, we were shooting in this really beautiful town called Leeds. And when you go outdoors, you are expected to work like 18-20 hours, and that's what you do. So हमारा यही एफर्ट होता था कि जल्दी से शूटिंग खत्म करें और go out and explore the town because it was really pretty. So we would just wrap up ASAP and we would go to the bars. It was
Yes.
really small, pretty town with small bars and casinos and everything. So हमारा ज़्यादा वो effort उसमें ही जाता था कि जल्दी से जाएं, and we had a lot of fun there.
Okay.
Yeah, to add to that, great weather,
Yeah.
lovely, splendid, pretty looking town.
It was a very
charming.
beautiful place.
One place I want to go back to. Generally, wherever I shoot a film, I never want to go back to that city or town because I just think that I've spent
Because
too
you
much
spend a
time.
night and day there.
But this is one little town that I want to get back to. Yeah, one of these days.
So quickly, could each one of you could give us one reason why everyone should go watch 1920 London?
Because if it's your money well spent, if you want to spend your money well, this is the movie to go watch it, and it's a perfect date movie. All you young guys go there with your girlfriend. She's sure to be scared. She'll look onto you
She'll
and
end up-
latch
she'll end up
onto you,
sitting
and
on
she'll
your
not
lap.
leave
I'm
you
scared.
a long time after the movie is over as well. So it might be worth
Get your
ticket.
corner tickets.
Get your corner tickets right now.
Pick
Yeah.
up. It
Mira?
went fast.
Yeah, I think it's a perfect package. Everything that you want to watch in a movie, it's there. It has a beautiful love story. It has great horror. It has beautiful music, beautiful faces, or horror faces भी हैं. So सब कुछ है इस picture में. Why wouldn't anybody watch it? चुड़ैल है ना?
Correct.
So why do you think people should go for the film?
I think, look, we buy sensations. We go to a ticket window and buy sensations. You want to buy laughter. You want to buy tears. Or you want to buy joy. So for everyone who wants to buy a bit of love and a bit of fear, should buy the ticket.
Thank you. Hoping to see you again.
Thank you.
Thanks.